Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Road, and Cumberland Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Barron, Wisconsin.
Oh my, holy cow.
This is Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allamaquet County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Wenatchee County in northeastern Iowa until 5:45 p.m.
I'm gonna drop the camera.
At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Decorah, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Decorah around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Hanover, County Roads of 52 and West 60, State Road 9 and County X20, Northness, Quandale, Ludlow, and Glenwood Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Allamaquet and Wenatchee. You are listening to NOAA Web Radio Station WXKE. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Juneau County in central Wisconsin, northeastern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Millston, or 9 miles north of Toma, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Jackson, northwestern Juneau, and northeastern Monroe counties, including the following locations: Warrens, City Point, Jellystone Park near Warrens, the Meadow Valley Floyd, Bear Bluff Township, the Resin Landing Strip, and Mather. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 132 and 140. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Jackson, Juneau, and Monroe.
Flash flood warning.
Has given flash flood warning for southeastern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, northeastern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin until 2:45 a.m. Wednesday. At 6:56 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing. Flooding of up to 4 feet of water was reported near County
Whoa.
Highway 12. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and underlying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Toma, Warrens, Jellystone Park near Warrens, Kirby, the Redden Landing Strip at Valley Junction. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. Main impact time is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Wisconsin: Jackson and Monroe. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.